Hello, how are you doing? Well, rapid methods were first used in medical microbiology because people are dying in the hospitals if you cannot find the answer for the cause of the disease. But after the use in medical microbiology, food scientists thought that, well, we should know what is in our food also. So food microbiologists were about maybe 10 years behind medical microbiologists in use of rapid methods. But now all the food industry, any big company, are actually using rapid methods to determine salmonella or some other organisms in food way before the problem occurs. Number one is we can find the number of organisms much faster in knowing how many organisms in the food by various methods that we can measure the numbers and the kinds and the activities. So those tests usually took about 48 hours. Now we can do it in about 8 hours or even 4 hours or by different methods. So many new methods are being used in food microbiology now that we can find an answer within 4 hours, whether you have salmonella or listeria or whatever. So the faster we can find the organism, the more we can control the problem, like discard the food or prevent people from using the food and things like that. So I think many rapid methods are really giving very good answers for food in especially large quantities, serving to children or serving to hospitals or something. So I think rapid methods are very important, and a lot of progress are being made to determine the number of organisms and the kinds of organisms within half a day or 1 day. Whereas before it took a week to find something happen. Now we can do it in about 8 days, 8 hours. Well, as I just mentioned, if you can find the source of the problem before the problem occur in large numbers of people being affected, then we will find, you will prevent that to be happening. And the more you use rapid methods, the more you can find the problem earlier. So it's more of a preventive effect rather than somebody gets sick, then you try to find the reason. Nowadays, we are monitoring food before they leave the plant. There's no salmonella, no E. coli 157. So the food supply is getting safer because we get the answers earlier and we can do something about it, either destroy the food or make the plant cleaner or whatever. So all these methods are very useful for practitioner to make use of the information to prevent anything from happening. That's the major success, is the prevention of outbreaks, prevention of food, contaminated food being distributed. So rapid methods are very important from that angle.